So good morning everybody. I've been asked about making, molding, shaping croissants. So you can see I have my triangle. It's about 35 centimeters long. It's 10 centimeters wide, and I have cut a little tip on the end here. Okay, so typical croissant should be like the Eiffel Tower. Just open that out there, you can see the base. Nice long tip. It should be thinner at the base, thickest at the top. So I'm just going to pick this up and I'm going to stretch it out a little bit. And then I'll just show you here. I'm going to just overlap these here and press them down with my thumbs. Can you see that? And then I'm just going to very gently roll that over and back. And then up. I'm going to catch the edges here. And you can see I'm putting literally no stress on the dough. Just roll, roll, roll. That's your croissant. So we go again. Same again. Put the tip down, open it out, turn it over. See here? Press, roll, over and back. Now I'm edging my fingers down ever so slightly just to get an edge, and then you stop. Then you move your attention to the outside. You literally just roll up nice and gently. Again, you don't want to stress the pastry. If you do, it will tear when you're proving it. It's very important not to stress the pastry, because it gets stress lines across the pastry as it's proving. So you can see again, I'm literally using no pressure whatsoever. Now, I'll just do one more. Stretch. Going to tie over the ends, roll it up and down. Stop. Roll with your two fingers. The other thing that's important is that the tip. Okay, you see here, the tip of the triangle, that needs to be underneath. So press it down so that the tip is anchored. See there? Just like that. And that's it. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you.